Hey guys, Gaz Cooper here with Revenge of the Drones again. Yeah, you thought that first one was a fluke? Well, let me do it again for you and show you I can do this over and over again using multiple different keywords. When you create any video, you can use that video 4, 5, 6, 7 times to rank for different keywords. Now this one is the UV Oori micro drone, and this is a killer little drone. Actually, it can travel at 60 miles an hour, and for a little drone like it is, it leaves every other drone in the dust. Now I'm not going to ramble on too much about it, because my only reason for this video is to show you that I can rank these videos over and over again if you are in as an early bird. Yeah, you must act as fast as you can and start creating videos and getting this content up online so you can start ranking before anybody else has even thought about it. Okay, so let me finish this video and show you just how fast we can rank this video, which it's going to be in literally minutes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.